The second step for getting your Mac ready to use for your Cape Cod Community College coursework is installing the Microsoft Office apps. The college provides you these apps for free, and you'll download them from your My4Cs portal. Log into My4Cs, and you're going to click on the app launcher, which looks a lot like the Google app launcher. So you'll click, and then you'll choose Microsoft 365 right here in the upper left corner. Once this folder opens, take a look over here on your right and you'll see a button that says Install and More. Go ahead and click that button and choose Install Microsoft 365 Apps. You're going to click the Install Office button, and you'll notice that the download icon here is moving because the installer is being downloaded to your Downloads folder. And once the installer file is done downloading, you can close out of Chrome and you can go into the Finder to get to the Downloads folder. So I've closed Chrome and I'm going to open the Finder, and then I'm going to choose the Downloads folder here. And then right at the top you'll see is the Microsoft 365 installer. And I'll just double click on that. And you can see that the app or the installer file is going to walk me through the process of installing the apps on the Mac. So you do have to agree to the terms. And then I'm going to choose to install it for all users. Install. And then your Mac will ask you for permission to install the software on your computer. So the files will be installed on the machine automatically. When asked about sharing data or accessing data from other apps, I recommend that you click Don't Allow. This protects your privacy. During my installation, Teams, the program Teams, launched automatically, and I'm just going to close it. And when the installation is complete, you'll get this message that says the installation was successful. And so you can close the installer and move it to the trash, and you'll be able to throw away the installer file. You don't need to keep it. Now that you've finished installing the apps, I still have the Finder open, and if I click on Applications, I will see the Microsoft Outlook, Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, Word, Teams, OneDrive, etc. have all been loaded into the computer and are ready to use. If I want to use them, the easiest way to do that is from the launch pad that's here on the dock at the bottom of your screen. When we click the launch pad, all of the apps that are installed are visible. There's 2 pages of apps here. Just like if you happen to have an iPhone, it works similar to the iPhone home screen. And you can click to launch any one of the apps. Here, for demonstration, I'll open Microsoft Word. And I can start a blank document. Click the Create button. And here I have Microsoft Word. I'm getting an update error. I can ignore that for now. It's automatically checking to see if there are any updates. And for some reason, we're getting an error, but it won't interfere with the usability of the software. So I can maximize this so that I see the full screen of Word here. So that is how you install the Microsoft apps on your Mac. And in the next video, I'll show you how to ensure that all Microsoft files are opened with the appropriate apps instead of being opened with the native Mac apps like Pages, etc.